Hello guys, it's FM here back with another video. Today we have installed the Xperience ROM on the Redmi Note 9 Pro. As you can see, it's Android 12, Note 12.1 and Xperience version 16. The UI is so smooth as it's a CAF based ROM, but here and there it lags somewhat, like in the Google feed. As you can see, it has all the quick setting styles, and you can also add and remove by one touch. It comes with the custom launcher that's based on launcher 3 AOSP launch. It has low Geekbench scores, which is not great, and the DRM info is L1 by default, and the safety net passes by default. As you can see, the app opening speeds are so good and so smooth. As you can see, it is so smooth. But this ROM is not polished as Xperience and other ROMs like iOS. It has some UI issues, but I couldn't catch it on camera, but it has some issues. It also has double tap to wake and status bar customizations. You can also enable the network traffic, as well as you can make the mobile type small or big as you wish. You also have font changing options as well. You also have an OTA updater included, so you can just click download and install. You don't have to go into recovery and do those stuff. It will do it by itself. Now, about battery backup, it's shit. It's so shit. I only got 6 hours from 100 to 0. So it's not a battery based ROM. And the performance, I got 40 Fps average in Pubg, which is nice, I guess, for a 70G phone. And the storage speeds are not impressive. It's also slow. Yeah, now let's go into BGMI, and I have set the graphics to smooth and ultra. Smooth and ultra is fine. It's stable. It's very stable, I would say. As you can see, there are no drops, 1 FPS or 2 FPS here and there, you can see, but it's so smooth. You can also record while playing. As I tested, it records the gameplay very well and does not lag like some ROMs. As you can see, the graphics are also good enough for a 70G phone. But the drawbacks are that this ROM heats so much while charging, 43° plus while charging, from 1-digit numbers like 5% to 2-digit numbers. I don't know why. Its the thermals are different, I guess, or it's made so that it charges faster. This is the only ROM I could get 3 ampere charging. As you can see, there are no touch issues or drops. I'll show you the average FPS is 39.3, which is great, and the temperature only increased by 3 or 5 degree. As you can see, the Google fast pair works as my earbuds showed up there. So an unoptimized game like BGM runs fine, so you can expect all other games to perform well. You also have themed icon support and 5x5 grid, 3x3, and like some grids. And also the Gcam works perfectly, but there's one drawback in the Gcams on this ROM. The depth sensor doesn't work, but it's not an issue, as the depth sensor is useless in Gcams. It uses software algorithms to perform the portrait mode. So even if it works or doesn't work, it's useless. As you can see, I did try this screen recorder by Kimsey. It's a great screen recorder. It's the best one I have used, and it works perfectly on this ROM with no lag in the UI or gaming. I would give this ROM a rating of 6 by 10 because it's not as polished in UI wise as other ROMs, and it also takes a shit ton of time to restart or boot up, as I'll show you here. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes to just reboot. It's insane. I don't know what these guys have done. Maybe it's a boot animation issue. Overall, you can install this ROM if you want a CAF based ROM. Other than that, it's useless pretty much. Thank you for watching, and subscribe and like and comment.